Today we're dissecting the intriguing face-off between Michelin's high performers, the Pilot Sport 5 from the ultra-high performance up segment, and the Pilot Sport 4S, a beacon in the ultra-high performance UP domain. Join us as we delve into what sets these two apart, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to pick the perfect tire for your ride. In the realm of wet performance, the stakes are high. The Pilot Sport 4S stands out for its unparalleled wet braking capabilities, besting the Pilot Sport 5 by approximately 5%. Yet, when it comes to navigating through water, the Pilot Sport 5 edges ahead in aquaplaning resistance, illustrating Michelin's dedication to excellence across different performance aspects and segments. Transitioning to dry terrains, both models showcase their prowess. The Pilot Sport 4S, however, continues to lead slightly in dry braking with a near 2% advantage. This distinction highlights the 4S UP credentials, engineered for those who prioritize absolute performance in every condition. Michelin doesn't compromise on comfort and noise reduction, ensuring both the Pilot Sport 5 and Pilot Sport 4S excel in delivering a serene driving experience. This balance of performance with comfort is a testament to Michelin's commitment to not just meet but exceed driver expectations. With sustainability in the spotlight, the Pilot Sport 5 demonstrates a lower rolling resistance, hinting at enhanced fuel efficiency and a lighter environmental footprint. The Pilot Sport 4S, designed with a focus on maximal performance, has a higher rolling resistance, which underscores the different priorities within each segment. To sum up, the Pilot Sport 4S maintains its dominance in braking performance, embodying the zenith of UP tire technology. Meanwhile, the Pilot Sport 5 excels in aquaplaning resistance and efficiency, making it a formidable contender in the UP category. This comparison sheds light on Michelin's strategic diversification across performance tire segments. Been another top tire review showdown. For more tire reviews, comparisons, and updates, subscribe to our channel. Drive safe, and see you on the road.